Today we're talking about the all new color mode in Premiere. We're gonna be able to show you how to get good color without being a total pro. What is color mode? It is a whole new piece of software inside Premiere. This is not Lumetri 2.0. Yeah, we are in Premiere beta. So worth noting that if you want to try out these features, you have to download the beta.
Just right up at the top, you now have import, edit, color, and export, and color then brings you to this whole new module.
Whole new layout. I mean, this is completely new. You can see all the real estate they're giving the program monitor, which is really nice. It's not just the tiny thing up in the corner. This is our new clip grid view. And I love this because this is taking all your clips from your sequence, putting them in order. So as you're color grading, you can see how they look next to each other. Previously, when we were color correcting, we put like an adjustment layer or a layer of Lumetri, then we'd have to like copy, paste attributes, the bane of every Premiere user's existence. Now we can tag and group clips together and automatically adjust them. This is my favorite part. What we want to do is group all of our clips together. So let's grab all the drone clips first. So I can just command clicking to grab them all. And it says 11 clips selected. We're gonna hit plus button and we're gonna add a LUT to selected clips. And we're gonna add a conversion LUT for the drone. Okay, great. So that applied our LUT to group 7 and we're gonna call this drone. We don't have to like go place an adjustment layer everywhere there was a DJI. We just automatically applied them all. When I pull down on the exposure, I'm not able to bring any of this information back. If I move the adjustment to before the conversion LUT, as I drag down, you can see information coming back. But can you see in the clouds, some of the clouds have come back? A really cool tip is to add a sequence level adjustment, bring your saturation down to 0. It's easier to make contrast decisions when it's in black and white. It's definitely gonna look good in color.
It's crazy how much that was able to transform the image that we were even looking at too. It's like it really just came to life in a way that got rid of that dreariness.
Adobe has all these presets. I mean, they're calling them styles. So like cinematic low contrast, warmest. And if you apply this at the sequence level, it goes to every clip. Then it brought out some red and pink interface, which is not accurate. So we're going to sample that color. And then we can just selectively bring down the saturation of those reds. And now our face is evened out again. So I just shift clicked on our operators. So they were all selected and using the eyeball toggle to just turn them all on and off. And then you can see all these groups are turning on and off together. Everything's looking pretty cohesive. We just color graded a 2-minute trailer in 20 minutes. So it's pretty fast.
But thank you so much to Colton. It's been a really good time and we'll talk again real soon.
Yeah, we'll see ya.